Hello again, it's those Gillers, and today we have Cryptid Crate for November, so let's see what kind of monsters we have.
Don't cut the shirt if there's a shirt.
Yeah, I already opened it a little bit with my finger so it doesn't cut. Okay. So usually everything's wrapped in the shirt, so I'm gonna just... Oh, it's inside the shirt. Okay, I was gonna see if I can find the little paper. There it is. Okay. Nope, that's not it.
Oops, whoopsies.
Okay. So, the first thing I see is a sticker. It's called, it says El Chupacabra. So it's a Chupacabra.
So this
sticker.
Chupacabra box or something.
Well, it's got, have a theme. Yeah, I don't think this one does because it has like a whole bunch of different things.
Oh, okay. So it's just mixed monsters.
Yeah. Okay. Oh, the theme month is Fidgets.
Okay, so here is a pennant for Mothman. Woohoo, Mothman!
So Mothman pennant, you can do like Mothman. Go to Virginia, Mothman. Go to the Mothman Museum. Okay. So next thing we have is Strange Days. Oh my gosh.
What?
It's like a statue, but then there's all these people hanging out of it, like a cage. Almost looks like one of those religious book, these themed book things, the way it looks at first. Oh, so this is Strange Days Volume 7. So
Cryptid Crate Edition.
Cryptid Crate Edition, yeah. Let me show you. This is the front picture. And then it's got little stories and things in there. It's like a little magazine. Okay.
Oh, that's just an ad. Okay. This is a pop socket for your phone. It's a Cryptid Crate themed one. So you can advertise Cryptid Crate.
Pop socket Cryptid Crate.
I think pop sockets were very popular for a little while.
I don't think they are as much.
People don't talk about them as much.
Yep, I remember when they were really popular.
But everyone was like, "Oh, look at this pop socket I got! It's so cool."
Okay, so the next thing says cryptozoologist. So if you want to pretend you're a cryptozoologist, even if you aren't, there's a little bracelet.
Yeah, I'm totally one. Okay. So, we got a fuzzy felt bag, and there must be something inside of the fuzzy felt bag. So, let's open it up and see what's inside.
And it's another bag and another bag.
Okay, this looks like something very fragile.
What? Let's see if I can find it on here.
Is it,
Oh. It's a fidget spinner.
Oh
my gosh!
It's a Bigfoot fidget spinner.
Oh, okay, so it's a Bigfoot. That's really cool looking.
And it was put in this special bag because it's pretty fragile looking.
That's cool.
Please watch this video before using your spinner.
Uh-oh. There's a video to watch. And I used it. Do not light on fire. Oh, they must have made this in a 3D printer or something.
So there's a little scan code.
Oh no, I used it without watching the video.
There's also a URL you can type in
to
get to the video.
Oh no, does that mean a monster's gonna come get me?
You just summoned Bigfoot.
Oh shoot, I summoned Bigfoot. Oh no. Summoning Bigfoot!
Oh no, oh no,
no. Dude. Okay. Okay, I think there's one thing left. And this is the Fresno Nightcrawlers. Yay! I was born in Fresno, California and raised there. Look, we got the coolest things. Nightcrawlers. Also been spotted in Yosemite National Park, where all kinds of weird things happen and spaceships are seen. Okay, so that was Cryptid Crate Fidgets. If you liked this video, give us a thumbs up, and if you have not already, please subscribe for more of our unboxings, and we'll see you later. Goodbye. Bye.